Did you know that you can do video reply on Instagram to Reels just like you can on TikTok? I am so excited for this new feature. I've been waiting for so long to be able to do replies to Reels through video, Reels of video, and so it's just ongoing Reels and Reels and Reels like you can do on TikTok. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it. To be honest, I was a little confused at first. I didn't think that I had the feature, and then when I dug in, I was like, oh, I do. So I'm going to show you step by step on screen how to do a video reply in your Reels to a Reels comment. Now, one thing to know is you can only do this to comments that are on Reels. You can't do this to comments that are on picture posts, only comments that are on Reels. So I'm going to pull up my phone and I'm going to show you step by step how to do this on Instagram. And I'm actually going to make a reel for you live so you can see how it is, and it's going to be super fun. So first we're going to go to Instagram. Then we are going to go to the one that we want, the comment. So this reel right here is one that I have a comment and I want to do a video reply to one of these. So this is the one that I want, the PUPDG, and I'm going to hit reply just like I normally would. And then as you can see over here on the left, it has the little camera. So you're going to hit the camera and then would you like to continue? Yes, continue. And it only had that because I was doing a screen recording as well. But it automatically comes up. You can move it around and I can record a reel. So I'm going to record it and then come back so I can show you how to publish it. Okay, so I recorded the reel and I did my video reply. Now I am hitting preview. So I can move this around, and I'm just going to move this so you can still kind of see, or actually I want to bring it down a little bit. So I can see it here, and then you're going to do next. And write your caption and publish your reel just like you normally would, or you can save it as a draft if you would like to do that as well for saving it for later. So that is how you do a video reply in Reels on Instagram. So easy, but a great way to show engagement. And I have a feeling that Instagram is going to be pushing these more than they do their other videos or their other Reels. I think they're going to be really pushing these more. So you're probably going to see a boost in your views if you do the video reply. So definitely take advantage of video replies on Instagram now. So excited for this feature. Definitely let me know if you have any questions down below. Check out my other videos for entrepreneurs here.